growing collection of Hoover Convertibles. This is the Hoover Convertible Model 1030, manufactured between 1971 and 1973. As you can see, it's nearly identical to that of the 1020 from 1969 and 1971. It's the same exact vacuum, same motor, just different colors. This has a much more pronounced green, lighter tan in color, though you can't tell in the video. It's lighter in tan color. Even the power cord's lighter in color. The 1020 was the Brady Bunch vacuum. Alice had this vacuum on the Brady Bunch. The 1020. The 1030 was what I was really after in the first place. This was what my aunt had. So yeah, this is the Hoover Convertible 1030. Completely disassembled, cleaned up. The top sleeve bearing on the motor has been oiled. Bottom bearing plays a ball bearing that's been greased. Brush roll has been greased and all shined up. It's been waxed, novused, everything. So let's give it a little demonstration, shall we? Okay, there's the Hoover Convertible 1030 about to be ran in the living room. It also came complete with the model 1031 tool set sitting in the box right there, which I'll also demonstrate. This is plush carpeting from the 70s in near mint condition, but it's plush. I actually have the vacuum on high carpet setting. Everything on this vacuum is perfect. All it needed was a good cleaning. Brush roll is perfect, and this is, lubricating everything made a big difference. Okay, rubber hose. I actually polished this up too. Vinyl-X the rubber hose. Polished the aluminum pieces. Okay, so I lift this up, and what am I doing here? I missed it completely. I can actually do this while it's on too. That's why they call it the convertible. It easily converts from floor to attachments, and it shifts into high speed, as it says. Only thing missing from this, it's missing the extension wand. Hoover Convertible 1030 on high speed with the attachment.